Every year, thousands of companies start. Some grow for a few years, some disappear completely, and a very small number stay dominant for decades. And what's interesting is it usually isn't random. The strongest businesses build advantages that's extremely difficult to compete against. That's why certain companies continue to make money year after year, even when competition increases. I think many people assume that successful companies only win because they have good products. And yes, products matter. But over time, products alone usually stop being enough because competitors copy fast. Features get copied, designs improve, technology spreads, and eventually the real question becomes what can competitors not copy so easily? And that's where business quality starts becoming interesting because long term winners usually build systems, positioning, and advantages that's hard to replace. One of the strongest business advantages is branding. And branding is much deeper than logos or aesthetics. Good branding changes customer psychology, and people begin trusting certain companies automatically. Sometimes they even associate those brands with identity, lifestyle, status, reliability, and once emotional connection enters business, price becomes less important. That's why some companies can charge significantly more than competitors while selling products that may not be massively different because customers are not only buying the product anymore, they are buying experience, trust, perception, and that's incredibly powerful in business. Another thing strong businesses create is switching cost. Basically, how difficult is it for customers to leave? This is something many people don't notice. Sometimes customers stay not because alternatives are bad, but because switching becomes inconvenient. Think about software ecosystems. Teams are trained, files are organized, systems are connected, processes depend on that platform. Changing everything suddenly creates friction, and friction itself becomes a business advantage. The stronger the integration, the stronger customer retention usually becomes. Scale is another reason some companies dominate industries. Once businesses become very large, they start operating differently from smaller competitors. They negotiate better deals, reduce costs, expand faster, distribute products more efficiently, invest more aggressively, and over time, their size becomes a competitive advantage, which creates a difficult cycle for smaller competitors because competing against large scale firms becomes extremely expensive. This is also why investors and private equity firms study businesses deeply. They are not only looking at current profits, they are asking bigger questions. Can this company defend itself long term? Can the competitors attack its margin? Will customers remain loyal? Can it scale operations? Because sustainable advantages usually create sustainable profits, and that's what makes a business valuable over long periods of time. Honestly, I think learning business this way changes your thinking completely. You stop looking at companies casually and start analyzing them strategically. Why do people trust this company? Why are customers loyal? Why are competitors struggling? Why can this company charge premium prices? That way of thinking becomes useful in finance, consulting, strategy, investing, and even personal career growth because, in many ways, strong careers work similarly. The more valuable, trusted, and difficult to replace your skills become, the stronger your long term advantage becomes.